Hey guys, it's Sydney. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe. I'm so happy to have you here. Thank you for watching this video. So today I am so excited because I don't do a ton of collabs here on YouTube, but I've been wanting to do a little bit more with people with my texture because I already know growing up, especially being mixed, it was hard for me to find anyone with my type of texture besides my own sister. Even though our textures are still a little bit different, I found somebody. Finally, you guys, my 21 years of life, I finally found somebody, okay? Her name is Marissa Lanae here on YouTube, and she is beautiful. Her content is amazing. She did just get started here recently, but her page is doing so good, her profile, everything. So we decided to do a collab video, and we're going to be using the same products. So I'm super excited. I love these products. You all already know I have a little bit of a review here on YouTube, and I've already used them on my Instagram, but Marissa has not used them yet. She is super excited to use them. So without further ado, we have, can you guess? I think y'all can already guess. One of my favorite brands is Curl Smith. So we have the weightless air dry cream, and we have the hydro style flexi jelly. So I'm super excited because these products gave me amazing results. I hope Marissa gets the same. Like, they do so good, and our hair is literally the same. I do have some damage, so my curls can be way tighter than this. If you all have checked out any of my older videos, my curls are way tighter, but for now we have the same hair type. So let's just roll with it, you know, might as well. So this is a weightless leave-in conditioner for all hair types. It says it's easy, dry, smooth, softens and seals cuticles. It has babassu seed oil, hyaluronic acid, organic ginger, raw dragon fruit, and organic nettle, and silky castor oil. It is cruelty-free and vegan and organic, so it's all that good stuff. No silicone, paraben, sulfate, anything like that. So next, you guys, I have used this literally, I don't even know if you can see. I don't even know if I can see. Anyway, it's like here. And I've even had this for like 3 months. That's how much I love this product. Like, it just does so good. And it's going to give you like a flexible hold, but you can still see I have some hold. And it's going to dry with a lot of volume. So this one is for curly and wavy hair. Medium hold, lightweight, air dry definition. So I did air dry today. It has hyaluronic acid, green tea brew, organic thyme, white cedar, mashed almond, and organic lavender. This is on the 7 scale. It's very serumy. Like, you can literally refresh with this without water. That's how like silky and how much of a slip it has. So this is literally one of my go-tos right now. So since me and Marissa want to do like exactly the same routine today, I did use the Denman brush. I know, the Denman from back in 2012, you know. But I was like, let me give it a try because I always use my little ion paddle brush or my curl keeper brush. But I was like, let me try Marissa's from the T, okay? So, without further ado, let's get into the video. Now, I am going to section, which that's something me and her both do, which I love because finally someone understands. Like, yes, we have to section. Marissa likes to use the Denman brush, so I'm going to try that today. You all know I love my little ion paddle brush, but you know what? We can switch things up today. So my hair obviously is soaking wet. I am going to go in first with my Denman brush and detangle. I just deep conditioned and my hair feels so good and so moisturized. It had been a minute. I'm not going to lie, I was slacking on my deep conditions. It's been bad, girl. So first, we're gonna go in with the Curlsmith weightless air dry cream, and you need to style on soaking wet hair, rake through to ensure all strands are coated, and then use the praying hands method, which I am gonna just use the brush today. Yes, you guys, this leave-in is so good. So we have that much. Now I'm gonna go in with the flexi jelly. medium to lightweight hold air dry definition. So I am gonna air dry because it's an air dry line. Makes sense, duh, might as well. Oh, it smells so good. It's almost like a fresh and clean scent, but it's not like linen. You know how sometimes product smells like laundry, like, I don't even know how to explain it, but here we go. And this has such good slip. You can see it's a very like silky product. So doing the same thing. My hair is growing, y'all, like growing. It's crazy. Okay, so now I'm going in back with the dimming brush. I believe Marissa will even section smaller. And then look how good that is a gliding. Okay, we have a clump. I think I never really used the dimming brush because I never saw people with my texture using it. All right, so I'm going to air dry and then I'll be back with my results. All right, you guys, so I am back and I have air dried fully, and here are my results after using the Curl Smith Scalp Recipe styling products. So I am so impressed because I see my curls coming back from, we already know. So it really popped my right side curls a lot better than my left. But the left, I know it's going to catch up. It did before this whole mess, and it's going to now. So yeah, I am so impressed. My hair is so full of life, volume. Because, you know, some days I like definition, but I also like a lot of volume. You know, on day one, like, okay, all right, hair. So yes, Curlsmith is amazing. Like, they have everything you need from moisture to protein to volume to definition. So you can kind of go and look at their products and see what you want for your hair. But I'm obsessed with these results. I hope Marissa's results look as good as mine, and I'm sure they will because her hair is beautiful. So yeah, I am going to leave her video in the end screen, so you'll see it. I think it's here or here. It's one of those. So you'll see her video. I'm also going to leave links to her favorite routines and stuff like that. So yeah, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.